dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Cessä Y0UT, has announced that Nigeria has secured $2.25 billion World Bank loan with a 1% interest rate. Moving on, we have the Labour Party presidential candidate in 2023 general election, Peter Obi, says that Nigeria can change from their narrative wolves if the right people are recruited into governance at all levels. Alright, my wonderful people, thank you so much for joining this channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly like, comment, share. Don't forget to turn notification bell in case whenever our news drop, now you could be the first to watch them. Alright, my people, now on the news, the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wàhàla, has announced that Nigeria has secured $2.25 billion World Bank loan with a 1% interest rate. Speaking at the annual meeting of the International Monetary Fund and World Bank Group on April 20, Edu disclosed that the loan was approved by the board of directors of the World Bank and offers a 40-year term, a 10-year moratorium, and a 1% interest rate. Edu said, if we look at the fact that we have qualified for the processing just this week to the board of directors of the World Bank of total package of $2.25 billion. He said there is no such thing as a free lunch, but it is the closest that we can get to free money, that it is virtually a grant. It is about 40 years, 10 years moratorium, and about 1% interest. That is also a part of the flow that we can count. He added that Nigeria has also secured similar budgetary support and low-interest funding from African Development Bank. He said clearly that there are also ongoing discussions with foreign direct investors, that some of these things take longer than we expect, but they are relatively advanced discussion on major foreign direct investment flow into the country. So specific transaction with specific companies, institutions, and authorities. But my people, no be small matter. So this World Bank people can't say no to these country leaders every time they are collecting loan. What we pay for this loan? I think say if person borrow money, if he or she never pay back the one where they borrow, they no go give them another one. But why they keep borrowing to Nigerians leaders and they are not paying back? They keep borrowing and mismanaging the fund. That is the truth. What is really happening? I don't just understand anymore, because how can all these people go on and borrow money and they will still mismanage it, yet they won't pay back, they will still go for another one? Well, come to think of it, I think they will say no, because there are interest to be paid. So it's profit for them. 1% interest is over $200 million. These people will borrow to this nation finish. Same set of people since 1970s. Our country no remain again. No wonder some persons are saying that this APC don't sell our country since 2015. The people who would gain from this money already know themselves. All the past loan, how did the citizens benefit from them? That is my question. Another debt incurred. As it starts now, with the interest rate of 1%, that means they are paying back the $2.25 billion with the interest of $22 million. The one we will borrow from China, we never pay that one finish. Now so our people like debt. Loan for what exactly? That is my question. All the money recovered from those looters, where are they keeping the money? This money is meant to be given to businesses at the rate of 5% interest rate, to businesses that produce things we import or things we can export. That's the way, they can easily pay back the loan, create thousands of jobs, boost GDP, increase government revenue through tax from the businesses. But to watch them, they will use it to build useless infrastructure, then they won't add any economic value. That is the truth. This one alone to put the country in more bondage, because I don't understand. So what is the need of removing fuel subsidy? Never heard that they have paid off their loans. Obtaining loan to load them. Never seen anything they have done with all those loans. Rather, they borrow and embezzle. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your opinion towards this issue. Let's keep the conversation live in our conversation. Moving on to the next one. The Labour Party candidate in the 2023 general election, Peter Obi, says that Nigeria can change from their narrative of wolves if the right people are recruited into governance at all levels. He added that the change would only be achieved through collaboration or collective efforts. According to Obi's statement, he expressed his views when he met with some Nigerians in the diaspora during his thank you tour of the United States. The statement was jointly signed by the coordinator of the Peter Obi New Nigeria project, Dr. David Agwala, Dr. Moses Paul, and Mrs. Ndidi Mbago. They highlighted some lectures Peter Obi delivered at Harvard Law School. He said that Nigeria can overcome current challenges, that Nigeria can embrace opportunities and create a nation where every citizen thrives. So as they embark on the journey ahead, that let them carry themselves with the lesson learned, the bond forged, and the unwavering resolve to build a brighter future for Nigeria. He said, together we can overcome challenges, we can embrace opportunities, and we can create a nation where every citizen thrives. So he wants to thank everyone for their unwavering support, and he wants to let them know that they should continue to move forward with courage, compassion, and hope. He said, engaging with them in discussion on the state of the nation to exploring pathway forward, that every moment was filled with hope, with them, determination, and a shared vision for a better tomorrow. He further said that the question and answer section at the 2.5BILLION Cherry Hills, New Jersey, reaffirmed the commitment of Nigerians in diaspora to making a difference in the lives of others, that together as a community, united by shared values and aspiration, they have the power to shape a future defined by compassion, opportunities, and justice for all. Also, the question and answer section and thank you to in Boston on April 13, 2024, provide a platform for meaningful dialogue with members of the obedient family and the New Nigeria diehard in Boston. So he said together they will dive into pressing issue and charter a course towards positive change, fueled by a collective commitment to progress and unity. He further explained that as they gather at the Life Christian Church Auditorium in West Orange, along the obedient family, that the spirit of resilience and optimism resonated deeply. He epitomized the power of community and solidarity in driving meaningful transformation. Peter Obi concluded by expressing gratitude to those whose dedication and compassion inspired them to strive for excellency and make a positive impact in their communities. It was a memorable thank you tour because other group meetings and discussion created deeply meaningful dialogues and connection, each contributing to their shared journey of growth and progresses in making this country better. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also remember to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to notification bell to get notified when we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out on the latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for staying to us. To all our viewers out there, thank you all so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like your awareness, stay safe guys, bye.